Hello guys, I am Yaru. Welcome to Dream Developers. Today we are going to check function in Kotlin. If you have not seen the previous video, then simply check out our Kotlin programming series. So let's begin. Function is a group of interrelated block of code which performs a specific task. So functions are used to break a large program into smaller modules. So let's check the type of function. In Kotlin, there are two types of functions, standard library function and user-defined function. So standard library function is predefined function like print and square function, and we can also define a function by our own using fun keyword. So let's move to our IntelliJ IDE and see the example of standard library function. So we will take the example of standard library function. So write where number equal to max dot max, and here we have to pass two arguments, so I am passing 10 and 30. This make function return the maximum value out of these two. In Kotlin there are many standard library functions are predefined. This is also a standard library function. So let's run our code. In Kotlin there are many standard library functions are available like max, min, square, power and many more. Here we can see 30 is printed because 30 is the maximum value out of these two. Now let's understand user-defined function. Here I have created addition function. So fun is a keyword to define the function, add is a function name, and a and b is a parameter of this function, and int is a return type of this function. This function returns a plus b. So the return type of this function is int. We can also define the function of void type. In Kotlin, void is converted to unit. So we have to write unit. So let's move to our IntelliJ IDE and see the example of user-defined function. So let's create the function. First we will create add function without argument and return type. So write fun add, and in this bracket first val a equal to 10 and val b equal to 30. Now print the sum of these two numbers. So write answer is, then concat the string, and in this bracket write a plus b. Now let's call this function. So write add and bracket. Now let's run our code. Here we can see answer is printed. Now let's create the parameterized function. So write a colon type of int and b colon int, and we will also create the return type. So write colon int. Here we have defined the return type of the function, and we will simply return the answer. So write return a plus b, and here we have to pass the value. So write 10 and 30. Let's store the data. So write val answer equal to and print the answer. Here we can see 40 is printed. We can also create the function as an expression, or we can say one-liner function. So let's see the demo of one-liner function. So here we will write equal to and remove the return keyword. We can see we have write the function in one line. If we run the code, we get the same output. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.